Here we have the Whisker Litter Robot 4. I absolutely love this litter robot because mainly it keeps the smells out of my house. The one thing I don't like about this robot litter box is that it's big. It looks like a giant spaceship, so I would highly recommend getting it if you have a space big enough to contain it where it's not out in the open for everyone to see. Here I just pressed the cycle button to go ahead and allow it to cycle out. Sorry you have to see those feces, but it's showing in real life what the thing actually does and why I like it. The way it works is by slowly tilting it one way to filter out or sift out the clean litter from the dirty litter. And it's going to drop all the feces off into the hole in just a minute. That has an odor trap in the bottom of the machine. And in order to empty that, there's a pull-out lever under the step or right where the step is. You're just going to pull that out. It's like a drawer, and the app that comes with this actually does tell you how full that drawer is, as well as monitors your cat's weight. You can have up to 4 cats, and it can differentiate between each cat, which cat is using the litter box based on its weight. I absolutely love that feature about this litter robot. It's all in the app. It can monitor how often each cat is using the restroom, how full the litter robot is, and how full the feces drawer is as well. And this did come with the mat that hopefully I'll show in just a second here, so that when the cats step out of the litter box, all the litter that's on the bottom of their feet is going to get trapped into that mat, so it's not being drug out all over your house. And as you can see with this cycle, the robot did miss a clump or two of feces, and that's going to happen every now and then. But the good thing about this is that the odor control is so good on this robot that honestly, even with it being out in the open like it is here, you still can't smell anything. And now I'm not sure if that's just because the OdorTrap is so good or it's a combination of just being a really great litter, but there's no smell coming from this litter box whatsoever, and I absolutely love that feature. All in all, I would highly recommend this robot litter box. It just makes everything so much easier. I'm not having to worry about cleaning this thing out constantly. It reminds me when it's full, and it's so easy to use.